Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make anything 3D inside of your game. So suppose, so the first thing you need is you're gonna need two sprites. Your first sprite and then the direction of your sprite. So first you're gonna have to, when green flag click, then put your place where you want to go. Then you use the set X and Y block right here. We made it inside variables, and yeah, it's for all sprites. And then forever create your 3D thing. You could put 3D bus, 3D turret, 3D anything, or maybe even an enemy. You could probably make very good games, like maybe Friday Night Funkin' or other 3D games. You could make them 3D, and make sure you share all of your projects so you could get more views and all. So when you start as a 3D thing, then you go to your place, your X, Y, and coordinates. Then you set your brightness effect to 10. Make sure you do that, guys. Then erase all, set size to 75 or whatever size you want. I prefer 75. Then switch costume to your costume, like whatever costume you have. And then you should point in direction. We're not going to put this right now. We're going to put it later. Once you've made this sprite, I'll tell you the code for that. Then repeat 5, change Y by 1, so you could get the layers on, and then stamp it. And then change the brightness effect. That's gonna help you to make it look realistic. Then you add like this, like you keep repeating to get your layers up. And you could put like repeat 10, maybe repeat 5 or 6, you never know. Just put any amount you want. So next thing you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be putting like, suppose, wait, let me give you an example. Maybe I could take this, yes. So here's a simple turret, and we're gonna go delete this, then copy it. So over here, we could just place the turret, and then put it there. After you put this, you'll see it looks a bit weird, but you just have to layer it with your other one. So you're just gonna go here, and I'll copy my base, put it here, and make it a little bit bigger, put it there. And then we could also maybe change the color, like this, suppose. No, I think I'll just go and put some type of blue. This will work for now. And then go, click the green flag, and it should work. Yeah, as you can see, we've got our turret, but it's not right in place. So we're gonna have to grab this, move it, keep moving it. Just keep on moving it. And move it with this thing. This tool is very useful. Then you could go put this here, and then put like this. See? And you've got your turret right here. And you could also so over here we just got this is just a loop. These are the most important ones. This is the ones you only need, and the rest you don't need, but yeah, those are the most useful ones. So I'll just go take these off right now, put this here, and then do this so I could get it up. And then here, we got our turret again. So this is our simple turret that we've made, or yeah, just the turret. And then now you could just put make a sprite called your thing plus there, which is direction. And then you could go put this block in. Then you go here. You make a simple arrow, suppose like this. It's not the best. I could change it. So wait, let me. And then wait, let me put it like this. And then you could go, erase this. Whoa, okay, and then okay, erased it. Okay, you could also put like this boldness on. I don't know why you would want that, but yeah, you could. No, don't worry about costumes, it's not gonna show, but this is mine. And then over here, you could just go to your coordinates, whatever your coordinate was for the turret, or whatever you made, and then set the direction to -5. And make sure you set the ghost effect to 100, because watch what happens if you don't do it. It's gonna show, at least for some people who go to front layer, but luckily this is hidden, otherwise you could see it right now. See? You could see this thing moving the turret right now. That's why you should always set the ghost effect to 100 and make sure you hide it for double precaution. Then, go up, move 10 steps, and then for the down arrow, if then else too, because you're trying to make this type of loop, and those games where they have that big type of loop, you're supposed to make that. So you go up like this, then you go down for there, then this is turning this way, and then you could do clockwise. Then you could set the X position to X position, yeah, and then you could set the Y to Y position. And then once you've made that, you'll be able to move your turret. You can maybe put it for a tower defense game. That's a pretty cool idea. You could also change your turret's costumes, like right here. I could go edit this. Suppose I don't want that. Maybe I could make it like a classic turret. Maybe a bit dark, and then we could just put it like there. And then maybe here. This looks very tower defense-y. But yeah, you could just put like a classic turret. Another cool thing you could put in your turret is you could do an if-then statement just to make it like shoot your turret. So you could put if-then right here, and then sensing space key press, then broadcast shoot. Then click OK, then go here, when I receive shoot, then we should first make a costume, just for extra double, you have to always prepare a costume. So here, I'll just go put it down. I should probably import. Importing is better. Wait, let me go import. I'll find one. Just you wait. Here, I'll just click this. Wow, that's a lot of costumes. I'm not sure if I want to do that. I'll just do this, and then open all of these. One of these should have it. No, this is not it. This is it, yes. Copy. Then I could go delete all of these. Okay, wait. Car body 5? What? Okay, yep, I'm deleting that. Okay, pasting it. Then we're putting this here, and then I'll just make it go to back layer. Then I'll make it a bit bigger, and then we'll just put this here. This is supposed to be car body 5, and this one's not. There. So when I receive shoot, switch costume to car body 5. Yes, this should work. So as you can see, you can shoot with your turret. And yeah, it works. It doesn't look that 3D, so you could probably layer it or something. Like right now, let me layer it. Copy, paste. Then there. Put it back. There. And that looks more layered, as you can see. Like right here. You could probably make like an enemy fighting game where enemies will randomly spawn and then you have to hit them with this turret. That's a pretty cool game idea. And you could also customize your turrets for like your tower defense game. But that's it for today's tutorial. Bye bye! Okay,